Welcome to our TM channel. Today, I bring you a new brazing torch kit, Oxy and MAPP Brazing Kit OX70G. It is ideal for multiple applications: HVAC installation, copper tube brazing, hardware applications, DIY and maintenance. For HVAC technicians, an oxygen brazing torch is an essential tool when replacing compressors, reversing valves, and other refrigeration components. These works require higher temperatures and faster brazing speeds, what conventional fuel gas torches may not provide. That's where the OX70G comes in. Precision valve for ultra-hot flames, wind-resistant, anti-flare design, lightweight, portable, and easy to replace. The MAPP features a tube and dual control valves. The oxygen regulator comes with an integrated pressure gauge, allowing users to monitor oxygen cylinder pressure, as well as fuel gas pressure during operation. Equipped with safety valve and flashback arrestor, designed to connect the CGA6 or a MAPP gas cylinder. It also includes a cylinder holder, safety goggle, sparklighter, and interchangeable brazing nozzles. With the largest nozzle installed, the OX70G can braze copper tubing up to 30 mm in diameter.